Can duct boosters improve airflow? Yes, duct boosters can improve airflow in a weak room, but they work best when the duct is mostly sound and the main problem is low air movement. A duct booster is a small fan placed inside or near a heating and cooling duct, and it helps push more air toward a room that feels too hot or too cold. It can be useful when a long duct run, several bends, or a closed damper makes one room uncomfortable. Before installing one, make sure the register is open and the air filter is clean, because simple blockages can cause weak airflow. Check for loose connections or holes in the duct, since leaks may let cooled or heated air escape before it reaches the room. A booster cannot create unlimited air, so it may not help much if the main duct is too small or the heating and cooling system is already struggling. An important detail is that some boosters use a pressure sensor or temperature sensor to turn on only when the central fan is running, which prevents them from pushing air at the wrong time. Choose a model that matches the duct size, produces little noise, and has a safe electrical connection. After installation, compare the room temperature and airflow for several days, and remove the booster if it makes the system noisy or causes other rooms to receive less air. One common mistake is installing a booster before checking for a dirty filter or closed damper, so inspect those first. Another misconception is that a booster fixes duct leaks or poor insulation, but sealing the duct and insulating exposed sections usually gives better lasting results. Also, do not place a powerful fan in a system with poor return airflow, because the extra pressure can increase noise and stress the equipment. Have a qualified heating and cooling technician check the system if airflow remains uneven. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.